Good morning, friends. Today we will discuss about tune amplifier. Okay. In the last unit, we can discuss about the various amplifier, that is transformer couple amplifier or C amplifier or BJT based multi-stage amplifier. So these types of amplifier, it is used for bandwidth of such amplifier is large. Okay, so this amplifier require large bandwidth. So it is a different class of amplifier it developed called as tune amplifier. This requires low power amplifier. This is called as low audio frequency power amplifier. Okay, till now we have discussed various types of voltage amplifier, but all of them we are using resistive load. Okay, there are two types of load: resistive load and inductive load. So in last unit they use resistive load. So we are designed to operate low frequency, and it is designed for operate for low frequency. For the bandwidth of such amplifier is required large. Such amplifier are not suitable for high frequency operation. So due to this, a new amplifier, that is tune amplifier, it is designed. This tune amplifier is designed for operation of high frequencies. Okay, so let me start from the need of this amplifier. Okay, then this is the topic of need of amplifier. So the first point is, in audio and TV transmitter as well as receiver, the audio and TV transmitter as well as receiver operate in a frequency range of 500 kilohertz to few megahertz. This range is desirable into many small dots, and various frequency are routed to different station. ओके, जे टी व्ही ट्रान्समिटर रिसिव्हर असतात त्याला ही फ्रिक्वेन्सी रेंज त्यांनी दिलेली आहे, आणि ही स्टेशन टू स्टेशन काय करते, व्हॅरी करते. ओके, in order to select desired station, the amplifier at the receiver should be selective. Okay, if someone select the desired station, the amplifier whenever the receive the signals. Okay, so this having facility of selective. Okay, तुमच्या घरामध्ये बघा, जो रेडिओ होता त्यावर तुम्ही ते गोल बटन फिरवायचे आणि पर्टिक्युलर स्टेशन लावायचे, त्याला म्हणतात रिसिव्हर सिलेक्टिव्ह. तुम्ही 200 मेगाहर्ट, 500 मेगाहर्ट असे वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे रेडिओ मिरची वगैरे हे जे तुम्ही ऐकता, हे त्याचं ते काय एक एक प्रकारचा कन्सेप्ट आहे. ओके, तो रेडिओ तुमचा काय आहे, तो रिसिव्हर आहे. ओके, the next point, the audio amplifier cannot do this because they are not effective at such high frequency, and more important, they are not selective. Okay, जे ऑडिओ एम्प्लिफायर आहे, ऑडिओ एम्प्लिफायर हे करू शकत नाही. दिस टास्क इज नॉट डूइंग बाय द ऑडिओ एम्प्लिफायर. दिस रिक्वायर्स सम स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ एम्प्लिफायर for selective purpose. So it requires some special type of amplifier which having the facility of selective, so which require tune amplifier. We require two amplifier. Therefore, special designing tune amplifier are required to pick up desired signal and reject all other. So, in other amplifier, C amplifier, BJT based multi-stage amplifier, this is not having facility of selective. This is not facility of selective. For selective in nature, selective to particular station, we require some tune amplifier. Okay, so tune amplifier designed for selection of particular frequencies. Okay, so this is the basic diagram of. So while starting the tune amplifier, we can first assume that what is tune amplifier. Okay, what is tune amplifier and what is the importance of the tune amplifier. Okay, so first consider that application. Tune amplifier are used in following application. Okay, this question is asked in exams or any interviews. The tune amplifier especially receive for radio frequency amplifier. First point is radio frequency amplifier. Okay, then it use in IF amplifier, intermediate frequency amplifier in radio receivers. Okay, this is the amplifier related with communication. Third is RF and IF amplifier TV receivers. Okay, TV receiver this also be used. Another is oscillator. Oscillator means in oscillator there is some LC circuit, that is some LC circuit are available. So this is called as tune LC circuit. ठीक है, and this circuit used for 180 degree phase shift. This circuit is specially used for 180 degree phase shift. This tank circuit, this is called as tank circuit. So due to this is called a tank circuit. So this tank circuit is also the part of tune amplifier. Okay, so this is using oscillator. Another is video amplifier. In video amplifier, for if we require to high frequencies amplification, these types of voltage amplifier is this particularly using video amplifiers also. Okay. Okay, then consider the diagram. This is the diagram of tune circuit. Okay, this is diagram of tune circuit. We consider another diagram. uh, there are major in a basic tune circuit. This is the basic diagram of tune circuit. This is the basic diagram of tune circuit. This is the basic diagram of tune circuit, which having two types. First is series resonator circuit and parallel resonator circuit. First thing is that what is series resonant circuits, or what is resonance circuit. Resonance circuit is a this type of circuit which having low impedance. Okay, resonance circuit is a type of circuit which having low input impedance. So this is called as resonance circuit. So depending upon the structure, there are two types of there are two types of tune circuit. First one is considered as series. First one considered as series, and another is parallel. In series, R L C are connected in series, so it is called a series or series unit circuit. Or in parallel, R L are connected in series and C is connected in parallel, so it is called as parallel resonator circuit. Okay, so this are the resonant circuit which use three element R, L and C. Okay, so depending on the structure and adjustment, RLC circuit having two categories: series circuit and parallel resonator circuit. And what is resonant circuit? Resonant circuit is circuit having low input impedance. Input impedance should be low. This is called as resonant circuit. Okay, then some important characteristics of this tune amplifier, that is resonant frequency. That is resonant frequency, or some characteristics are resonant frequency, impedance of tune circuit, frequency response, quality factor, and relation of Q and bandwidth. This is the important characteristics. By using these characteristics, many resonant circuit are categorized. Okay, so this is all about the tune circuit, and in we can starting the standard definition. This is the standard definition of tune amplifier. Okay, tune amplifier are used to for the amplification of specific frequency signal or a narrowband frequency signal. Basically, high frequency or radio frequency signal are amplified using tune amplifier. Okay, so this is the one type of amplifier which having specific frequency signal able to amplify, or narrowband frequency signal will able to amplify. There are basically tuning means selecting. Tuning means selected. Tune is called a selection. Okay, of frequency is done by using tune or resonant circuit. Okay, resonant circuit is this circuit which having low input impedance. Okay, at the load. And there are two types of tune amplifier, that is um, uh, series resonator circuit and parallel resonator circuit. This is the basic tune circuit elements. Okay, so in another next lecture we can discuss about single tune, double tune, stagger and tune amplifier. Okay, so this is the all about the tune amplifier. So it is a very easy topic. It is a this tune amplifier designed for operation of high frequency signal operations. Okay, high frequency signal. Okay, and for selection the particular frequency and amplify that frequency. Okay, selection of particular frequency and amplify for the frequency. These tune amplifier are used. In last lecture we can see that very low power amplifiers. Okay, so this tune amplifier is specially used for high power application, and this circuit is a very important circuit. uh, I give a homework that what you learn from tune amplifier, what is the tune amplifier, you can write in your own words, and send me on our WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and your assignment will be submit on tomorrow. Okay, thank you.